Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you top 3 best themes for your Xiaomi Redmi 11S device. On the third place we have a theme that fully replicates the iOS design. It's called Style iOS. To install this theme, open Settings, then scroll down and choose Themes. Choose Free Themes and find here Style iOS. Open it, install it, and apply. Cool. This theme redraws all your icons or all your app icons. This theme redraws control panel and settings menu too. This theme is the most popular theme in the brand store, in the Xiaomi themes store. But in the second place is Clouds theme. It's very beautiful theme too. To install it, open Settings, choose Theme, Free Themes, and find here Clouds. Choose Themes and download the theme. And apply. This is anime style theme, and this theme also changes the icons on the home screen, changes the visual appearance of the clock, as you can see, and also sets the anime style background on your settings menu. It's really beautiful. But on the first place is proudly the Hydrogen Ball theme. To install the theme, open Settings, choose Themes, Free Themes, and find here Hydrogen Ball. Download it. And apply. The theme is incredible. It redraws not only the system icons, it redraws not only settings menu, but it redraws widgets too. It will give your smartphone a new lease of life. The new colors not only do not interfere but also contribute to a comfortable use of your smartphone. And that's all. If you like any of the themes shown, write us about it in the comments, and if you use any other theme and think it is better than the one we showed you today, then by all means write us about it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you. Bye.